Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do a transfer from Revolut to DNB Norway Bank. It is pretty simple and easy. Just take your smartphone, open the Revolut app, and let's get started. So when you open your Revolut app, click on the payments right here in the bottom of the screen, has arrow showing. Here in the payments tab, you will need to click in the top right corner. After that, click on the bank and select a country. So it will be a Norway, currency will be a kronas, and select if you have a Swift code, sort code, or IBAN. Select one of those by using a drop down menu and put all the required information that you will need. After that, click continue, put the amount that you want to send, and review all the information, and you'll be able to send the money to DNB. So that's pretty much it, and see you in the next one.